Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 has officially been revealed through detailed renders, giving us a complete look at its design from all angles, including the back. One of the most noticeable changes is the removal of the familiar camera rings that were part of the Fold 6. In their place, we now see individual camera lenses that float slightly above the back panel, similar to what we've seen on the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge and S25 Ultra. This change gives the Fold 7 a much cleaner and more modern appearance. Another big improvement is how slim the new Fold looks. Samsung had teased a slimmer design, and now the renders confirm it's significantly thinner than its predecessor. When placed side by side with the Fold 6, the difference is easy to spot. However, this sleeker body comes at a cost. The camera bump sticks out more than before due to the reduced overall thickness. In an unexpected move, Samsung has removed the under-display camera, UDC, which had been a signature feature of the Fold lineup since the Fold 3. Instead, the Fold 7 now features a more traditional hole-punch front camera. It's larger than the one on the cover screen, likely because of the technical limitations of integrating a camera beneath a foldable, flexible display. While some may miss the seamless full-screen look the UDC offered, others will appreciate the improved camera quality thanks to the larger 4-megapixel sensor. Interestingly, getting rid of the UDC also allowed Samsung to rework the internal display layers. This results in a crease that should be much less noticeable, similar to the barely visible one on the Fold 6 Special Edition. Although rumors suggested thinner bezels, the renders indicate that the bezels remain about the same as those on the Fold 6. As for colors, the Fold 7 will come in blue shadow, jet black, and silver shadow, with additional exclusive options possibly in the pipeline but not yet leaked. Internally, the storage options appear unchanged from last year, and no new upgrades in that department have been confirmed yet. The official launch date has been set for the 9th of July at 10 AM ET, according to trusted leaker Evan Blass. Alongside the Fold 7, Samsung will also unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 7. This model is making waves with its redesigned outer display, which now covers nearly the entire front, much like what we've seen on Motorola's Razr models. However, it's still unclear whether the new screen will support full Android apps or have limitations similar to past versions. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is also set to launch at the same event, with official renders already making rounds online. Samsung has also shared a complete schedule for the Unpacked event, including timing across different time zones. To sum it up, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 brings a slimmer design, removes the under-display camera in favor of better photo quality, refines the camera layout, and minimizes the crease. Meanwhile, the Flip 7 introduces a significantly larger outer display, though we still don't know how functional it will be. All of this will be unveiled at Samsung's big event on the 9th of July. So that's it for this video. If you want more tech content, be sure to subscribe to us. Thanks for watching.